Hello children, in this video we will learn about displacement reactions. What is a displacement reaction? A chemical reaction in which a more reactive metal or element displaces a less reactive metal or element from its salt solution is known as a displacement reaction. We will study the displacement reaction and we will find out of these metals zinc, iron and copper which metal is most reactive, which metal is less reactive and which metal is having reactivity of intermediate order. For that, I need to perform some chemical reactions. Let us start. Here I have taken copper sulfate solution which is blue in color. To this copper sulfate, I add zinc. Granular zinc will be added to copper sulfate and you will observe that the reaction has already started. Okay, this reaction will take some time, therefore I am keeping it here. Next, I will take copper sulfate again which is blue in color. To that, I will add iron metal. Iron metal is greyish black in color, so I will be adding this iron metal to copper sulfate solution which was blue in color. I am keeping it here again. Next, I will be taking ferrous sulfate solution which is light green in color. To that, I will add zinc metal again. This reaction also takes some time to occur. Therefore, by the time the reaction occurs, we will discuss the theory part of it. Here what happens, you see the reaction, first reaction, in the first reaction what we have taken blue copper sulfate solution in a test tube, there we have added zinc. Zinc is a more reactive metal than copper. Then what it does, it displaces or replaces copper from copper sulfate solution. It takes the place of copper and it gets converted to zinc sulfate, and the copper which was displaced by zinc, that comes out during the reaction. In the second reaction, iron being a more reactive metal than copper, iron replaces copper from copper sulfate solution which was blue in color, and therefore iron, when it replaces copper from copper sulfate, it forms ferrous sulfate and the copper comes out of the compound copper sulfate as brown copper. In the third reaction, zinc is a more reactive metal than iron. I have shown here the reactivity order of these metals. Zinc is more reactive than iron. Iron is more reactive than copper. So in the third case, in the third reaction, zinc being a more reactive metal than iron, this also replaces or displaces iron from ferrous sulfate or iron to sulfate solution which is light green in color. After that, it forms zinc sulfate which is colorless, and the iron metal comes out as a black residue in the test tube. This reaction is called displacement reaction, a reaction in which a more reactive metal like zinc could displace copper from its salt solution and to form zinc sulfate and copper. This is a displacement reaction. This reaction in which a more reactive metal iron could displace or replace a less reactive metal copper from its salt, that is copper sulfate solution, is also an example of a displacement reaction. Another example where a less reactive metal iron has been replaced by a more reactive metal zinc, due to which it has formed zinc sulfate and iron. We will see how the reaction has taken place. In the first case, where we took copper sulfate and there we added zinc, you can see the change is clearly visible. This blue solution is slowly fading. and after some time you will find that this solution will become colorless. In the second case, in the second reaction, we took copper sulfate which was blue in color, to that we added iron. Here also the reaction has started, and therefore the blue color of the copper sulfate solution is fading, and in course of time it will turn light green in color. In the third reaction, where we took zinc and we added this zinc to ferrous sulfate solution, we will observe the color change. In this case, zinc being more reactive than iron will displace iron from ferrous sulfate solution, and finally the solution will turn colorless. So I hope children you have understood what is the displacement reaction. Once again, let us make a recap of this reaction. A chemical reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal or element from its salt solution is known as a displacement reaction. Zinc is more reactive than iron, therefore it displaces iron from ferrous sulfate and it forms zinc sulfate. Iron is a more reactive metal than copper, so it displaces copper from copper sulfate, it forms ferrous sulfate. Likewise, zinc is also more reactive than copper, so zinc could displace copper from copper sulfate solution, due to which zinc sulfate and copper are formed. These type of reactions are very important reactions because they help us to find out which metal is more reactive and which metal is less reactive. By knowing the reactivity of metal, it is possible to understand that all metals form their compounds, all metals show chemical reactions, but all metals are not equally reactive. Some metals are highly reactive, some metals are moderately reactive, whereas some metals are less reactive, and there are some metals which almost do not react. We call them noble metals. Examples of noble metals are gold, platinum, silver, etc. Thank you, children.